going on away there. Just a sweet flying little airplane. Getting tossed around maybe a little much, but not bad. And there's the dethermalizer. Down it comes. Bonk. This airplane I started around lunch yesterday, and had the structure finished by that night. Spent most of the day covering it. Of course, I have OCD ways of covering, so consider that. And on that goes. Boom. And then we will lock down the tail. Throw it up. Beautiful.
It's not gonna stuck on a fence.
Not on the fence, but maybe in a tree if we're not careful. Yeah, it's gonna go in a tree. Oh well.
Nope, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
Uh-oh.
All right, what do we have here?
This is an Echo, which is a P-30 kit that J&H Aerospace has, and that we sell on our website. And I just finished it, so we're gonna do a test glide.
You can see mine right there.
This is on the.
Yeah. All right, I feel the wind coming from that way, so
Okay.
let's just, yeah, nose down, all that jazz, something like that. Well, that doesn't look half bad. I think that looks pretty good. Do it one more time so we can evaluate whether it's turning.
Okay.
We accidentally built in a ton of stab tilt, but it's in the right direction, so like can't hurt, right? And we've got 4 strands of 1/8 here for a real sedate climb. May have to bump that up a notch, but you know. It's not a sweepette.
I saw me.
Remember, you're throwing it at gliding speed.
Oh, great. Now I got.
Just send it.
I got stuff in the
Just send it.
prop.
Nose down, gentle glide. Okay, I can't tell if it's turning or not. We'll find out later. 500. 400 actually would be fine. Maybe stop there.
That's only 150.
Crud. That winder really needs refurbishment. Terribly. Got it. Alright. Kind of toss it towards the bulldozer. And just a gentle, very gentle toss.
How many people can actually say they're tossing it towards their bulldozer?
Yeah, it is kind of comical, isn't it? Turning. We don't know what it'll do in the glide, but it's turning.
No.
Get a double, you know, row and a half of knots or something like that.
Okay.
That's kind of upside down and stuff. Yeah. You can tell how often she uses that winder. I would go out that way a little bit. I'd call that good. That's disgusting. That's absolutely disgusting.
Cue nice classical music.
Yeah, really. Nice. I don't know if it even shows up there. There it does. Put a trim tab on it.
Okay.
So. And you can see the tissue is slack on both of these. It's really sad. The humidity is typical. Very typical. Okay, so we have mine. We have Hope's. And, yeah, whatever. Something like that. Alright.
So comment below who you think is gonna win.
I already know who. It's kind of sad. Let me know when you're ready.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready when you are.
3, 2, 1, launch.
Yeah, I think it's obvious who's winning here. Yeah, I'm not even doing anything, and she's up there. And here I come. I'm dead sticked already. That's sad.
Now for my victory lap.
You can stop doing victory laps now.
Oh, come on.
We get the point.
Oh, come on. You know, I can't just do one victory lap. I have to do multiple. It's the same with Phantom Flash.
Oh, it's so disgusting. She's found another class to destroy us at. And down. Alright guys, so you've seen Hope has an Echo now as well. There'll be some footage, really. There'll be some footage of mine flying here. But anyway, so you've seen these. The late Ken Grubbs, who was a very successful dentist here in Georgia and who won a bunch of contests across the country, designed this airplane. Bill Brown, 1999 Moffett champion, actually kitted this airplane. Then he gave the rights to this airplane to us, so long as we continue to do what we can to further the flying here in Georgia. So that's what we're trying to do with these and across the world. So anyway, check it out on our website and check out some P-30 class airplanes. Like I said, this one's our offering. There are others. As you can see, they fly very well, very nice sedate flyers, and they fly very, very well. So we're barely winding these up. Hope's is at like 1/3 power. I cranked in enough turns to get mine going. That was all I really wanted to do, is fly with her, because it's fun. So anyway, we'll see you later. There she goes again. And down she comes. Alright guys, check out the Echo P30 on our website. Still has some turns left. So yeah, 2 minutes in dead air is fairly easy with setup like this. So yeah, you should check it out. It's cute and it flies good. What more could you ask? I mean, that's just a classic right there. A true classic. Hi, I'm Josh Finn. This is Hope. We are J&H Aerospace.
If you like this video, hit the like button.
Also, how about subscribe to our channel and check out jhaerospace.com for new free flight products and all of the tooling that you'll need to build them.
Thanks for watching.